In George Orwell's book, 1984, the government punished thought crimes. But in the real world, does the Constitution ever allow punishment for a criminal defendant's bad thoughts? What if those bad thoughts motivated a criminal act? The United States Supreme Court addressed this issue in Wisconsin v. Mitchell. A group of young African-American males, including Todd Mitchell, grew angry while discussing a scene from the movie Mississippi Burning, in which a racist white man assaults a young African-American boy. Mitchell asked his friends, quote, "Do you all feel hyped up to move on some white people?" unquote. Soon thereafter, Gregory Reddick, a 14-year-old white boy, passed the group on the opposite side of the street. Mitchell then exclaimed, quote, "There goes a white boy, go get him," unquote. The group ran toward Reddick, severely assaulted him, and stole his tennis shoes. Reddick was in a coma for 4 days after the assault. Mitchell was charged in state court with aggravated battery. A jury convicted him and made a specific finding that Mitchell had victimized Reddick because of his race. Under state law, the maximum sentence for aggravated battery normally was 2 years in prison. However, a Wisconsin hate crime sentencing statute added 5 additional years to the maximum punishment that Mitchell otherwise faced. That statute specifically provided for an enhanced maximum penalty if a defendant chose his victim because of his or her race, religion, color, disability, sexual orientation, national origin, or ancestry. The trial court sentenced Mitchell to 4 years in prison, 2 years above the maximum without the hate crime enhancement. Mitchell filed a post-conviction appeal in state court, challenging the state hate crime sentencing enhancement provision under the First Amendment. The trial court and Wisconsin Court of Appeals rejected his challenge. On Mitchell's further appeal, the Wisconsin Supreme Court reversed, holding that the hate crime enhancement violated the First Amendment's guarantee of free speech by punishing offensive thoughts. The state successfully petitioned the United States Supreme Court to review Mitchell's case.